Coming back to the point of functionality of the courts, what can we do as a lawyer, or what is your suggestion that we bring courts more closer to the citizens?
Closer to the
Citizens.
See, you're asking questions for which one-liners answers are not possible. I don't mean any offense to you. These are huge topics. Now, please tell me, of course, all this is already in public domain. I said it elsewhere, here and there.
Correct.
I didn't see any point in the highest court sitting in dividend benches. It should sit and bank and lay down the law, not this. In fact, I told Justice Sadasivam immediately on my arrival in the Supreme Court. First 3 days I sat, we retired in 3 days after I reached the Supreme Court.
Oh, okay.
Then I was put in the bench of Justice Sadasivam. And on a Monday morning, half a dozen bail applications. I joked with Justice Sadasivam, brother. And Sadasivam was never a Chief Justice of any High Court. He straight came to the Supreme Court. He was a peonage judge in Chandigarh and straight came. Not that he didn't know, but as a...
He started from lower judiciary.
No, he started in the High Court. He was a government in the Madras High Court.
Okay.
But he was not a Chief Justice anywhere. He was J1 in Chandigarh. He was transferred to... Anyway, that's all irrelevant. Now, I told him, brother, I was a Chief Justice of 2 High Courts. And normally bail applications by tradition in any High Court I know are listed before a relatively junior. Not that seniority, I don't believe in that. But as a practice, the new arrivals on the bench, it's a simple matters according to me, bail application, listed before relatively junior judges. And quite often, judges who came from service. Because they would have had an experience of dealing with some of the High Court, the lawyers getting elevated directly from the High Court bar might not have, some of them. So, normally they are assigned there. And after being a Chief Justice of 2 High Court for 4.5 years, come to Supreme Court on a Monday morning, hear a bail application sitting with the senior most judge of the court. This I said is hilarious, not anything else.
Harasal presents May It Please My Lords in association with Celestial Radiance, the Chosen One, powered by Vedic Legal and Company.